some Star Wars decals from Gulf Coast Decals. Got the full set for the risers and for the entire cabinet. So I'll be putting these on today and trying to see how many I can put on in total, but I will be putting on at least the two sides. Alright, so let's open up the box. So all we need right now are these two panels. So I will be covering this up. Alright, so I have the stuff I need. I have Splash Transfer Concentrate. This is the diluted splash, paper towels, and some tape. And my felt squeegee. You want to make sure you're working with a clean surface. So I just use a little tiny splash. You know, I'm going to do the entire thing and just soak it. Soak it, soak it, soak it. I don't want to take any chances. And then let's just take this entire thing off. Alright, now get the entire section off. Like I said, you want to keep it wet. It's going to have a little overhang, I believe, that I can trim. Overhang all the way around. Alright, so let's start working from the middle. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Let's wipe it down. Get all the water off it. And then what we'll have to do is go ahead and trim. First side here. It looks pretty good. Alright, so first one done. Okay, so here's the second Star Wars side. This is the left side. The other one was the right side. So let's give it a good spray. Good spray. Good spray. Okay, and this is pretty easy. This doesn't take a long time to do. And then you take your paper, peel back a section. The worst part about this is you don't want to get this stuck onto itself, because if you do, you're screwed. So put this down, and now take the rest of it and hold this. Take the rest of it and peel this whole thing off. Alright. Come on. Okay, spray. You can even spray some on the back end. Okay, now let's lay it down. We have overlap, overlap, overlap. Get your squeegee. And you can always do this too. You can always start up You just kind of do it this way so there's absolutely no chance of bubbles. That tends to produce the least amount of bubbles, I think, in my limited experience. There we go. Alright, let's get the light out. Got a bubble here. And then let's work from the center. Oh, see that? From the center. We don't want any bubbles. We want it to be perfect and beautiful. Perfect and beautiful. Just like Star Wars. I'm just kidding. Star Wars is not perfect. But it is beautiful. Incredible story. So that looks really good. So now let's get some more paper towels. And let's dry it off. Alright. Okay, so now we are going to trim the edges. It has a little overhang on each edge, so we want to trim these edges. Want to be careful not to overcut and just get the excess flap off. So we'll just take our nice sharp razor and just cut along the edge. There we go. All the way down. Okay, now we're going to come out and cut all of this. Good. Flip it around. All right, there's one panel done. Looks good. All right, the next panel. Alright guys, so I have both panels complete and that's the end of the video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And like I've said before, 90% of the people who watch my videos don't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe. And as always, if you want to chat, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.